Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to edit Brawl Stars videos in CapCut. First, import your raw gameplay footage directly into the CapCut application. Next, carefully trim any unnecessary parts to keep only the most exciting moments and maintain viewer engagement. Remember to set your video's aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for vertical platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, ensuring your content looks great everywhere. To make your Brawl Stars video pop, start by adding dynamic text overlays for character names or crucial plays. This helps viewers follow the action. Then, utilize speed ramps to highlight intense action sequences or slow down epic moments for dramatic effect. Don't forget to incorporate exciting sound effects from CapCut's extensive library to amplify those in-game actions and keep your audience immersed. For a more professional touch, explore advanced editing techniques. Implement keyframe animations to introduce characters or emphasize their movements with flair. Apply color grading to make your footage more vibrant and visually engaging, enhancing the overall aesthetic. You can also use green screen effects for custom backgrounds or unique overlays, adding a layer of creativity to your Brawl Stars content. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Select the optimal resolution, such as 1080 pixels, to ensure crystal clear playback on any device. Choose a high frame rate, like 60 frames per second, for incredibly smooth motion, especially important for fast-paced gameplay. Once exported, you can easily share your finished video directly to your preferred social media platforms, showcasing your awesome edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.